Your high-level all-in-one business solution also includes a way to build a website. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete website on HighLevel and how to implement your AI agent to that website. So let's get started. This is HighLevel. You can get started right now with a 14-day free trial that you can sign up. So check out that link in the description. Okay, so let me go ahead and jump into my HighLevel dashboard. I'm currently located in one of my businesses, so I'm gonna get started building my website really quickly, okay? So on the bottom left, there's an option that says sites. In this section, we'll be able to create funnels, sites, stores, webinars, and so much more to the website tab. So I'm going to create a brand new website right here. And remember, we are going to add the AI agent to this website. We'll be able to create the chat widget and also show you a little quick tour on how to get started in the AI agent that you're going to implement here, okay? So bear with me, let's get started. Let's create a brand new website, and we have two options. We can get started with a blank page or from a template. My favorite way to get started, even if I have to make a few changes, is using a template. You're gonna save a lot of time implementing the changes to a template than creating one from scratch, okay? So once you click on templates, you'll find several available categories here that you can choose from. In this case, go ahead and select the categories that you're interested in. And if the category is not available, not to worry, just go ahead and select one of the templates that looks and feels the way you want it, and you'll be able to change every aspect of that template, so not to worry. So in this case, I am going to use one of the templates here, and I'm going to use this one. So let's go ahead and choose this template. And yes, you can preview the template before actually implementing it, but in this case, I know I want this one, okay? So now it's implemented this template into my HighLevel account, and I'll be able to customize every single aspect of this website. Now, the first thing I want to show you is that this template has several available pages. It has the about, the service, testimonial, and contacts. To customize a different page that is not the home page, go ahead and click on this top menu, and we can jump to the other pages to customize every single page on this template, okay? Now, right now, we are currently located in the home page, the element name, the image action. So if I want to set an action to this image where they select it and it jumps to the next step, or it makes a call or an SMS, that is possible. The image settings, to change the image, go ahead and click on the image icon and go ahead and upload one from your drive or generate one with AI. So yes, HighLevel does have an AI image generator that you can use right here. Just go ahead and describe what you want for this image, and it'll generate it for you right inside of HighLevel. So it's pretty useful that we have this available feature. And size distribution for the width and height, colors, etc. Then we have the style options and the animation for this specific element. So if I wanted to fade in, that is possible. So you have several available options. If I select a different element, then the general settings will change. So depending on the element that you select are the available options that we have on the right. So in this case, I've selected a button, and I'm gonna get the button settings for the specific element that I've selected. So it's pretty easy and straightforward to move around features, remove them if you don't need them. Remember, this is just a template, and obviously all of this will be able to be changed just by typing in, deleting, and modifying the home page. So in this case, let's go ahead and get rid of this whole section. And it's just a quick way to show you that everything can be customized in a template, including the footer, the links, etc., all straight from here. So it's easy and practical to customize the style of your website. The overall style of the website, there's additional settings that I want to show you. Okay, so over here on the top left, we have the add elements. So I just showed you how to customize an element that's already there, how to remove an image, how to remove a section. But what if I want to add new sections into this website, okay? So there's a quick add option to add columns, and columns will give you the option to divide sections here on your site. So you can see here, 3 sections in this specific column. Once you do that, you want to add elements into these sections. So here's one. Here we go. I can go ahead and type in right now. There's a bullet list, and there's the 3rd section, and there's 3 sections right here. So it's super easy to add elements into this website. So you can add the sections, you can add rows, you can add elements, and there's several available elements depending on your use case. So for example, if you are writing blog posts, this will display the posts that you are recently posting on your site. Category navigation, social share, subscribe to mailing list. You got your store options. So if you want to launch a store straight from the website, that is possible. Now this will enable the store feature inside of your website. So in this case, do I want to add the store to my website? Let's go ahead and add the store. And this will make some changes on your site because now there's a cart. Now there's a checkout option. Now we can have a dedicated icon to view what's added to the cart and so on and so forth. So changes are making to the website right now. So now that I scroll to the top, there's a little cart option here. That wasn't there because this template wasn't a store, but now it is. So it's super easy and practical to turn that into a store. You got your custom code. So if you want to bring in an external service that you want to implement here, that is possible too. And several available options for the elements. You got pre-built sections, which is also super useful because you can bring in sections that have already a distribution to them. So you don't have to manually add a text, a header, a button, and so on and so forth. Just go ahead and select from one of the pre-built sections. And again, you're going to save a ton of time just like you did by implementing a template. You got your saved assets. So if you created an asset, you can save it here. A widget marketplace, if you want to install any of these features, that is available in the marketplace. And there's a ton of these that you can start using. Your store settings, here we go. Let's go back to elements. You got your buttons, form and surveys that you can implement here, social media icons, countdown timers, images, and the progress bar, especially useful if you are creating a brand new site that you want to tell them it's going to be available soon, right? Now over here on the top, we can view layers. We can view the layers for this specific page. We can rearrange the layers to move the features here. So you don't have to manually do it visually here. You can do it from the layers section. Then you got your pages. So if you don't want to move from page to page from the top menu, you can do it through here. You got your tracking code that you can add to the header or the footer. They make it super practical to do this. So that's super useful. Custom CSS. So if you want to implement something to make it look even better. So if you know CSS, this is a fantastic option. You got your typography for the general settings here. You got your background settings, your pop-up settings. So if you want to add a pop-up, you can do it through here. You got your SEO and AI search optimization. This is important. Please don't skip this. You need to add this, okay? So you got your preview here for that. You got your title and description for the page, the keywords, the author, the images, link and tags, language, and schema markup for your SEO purposes and AI search engines. So definitely you want to set this up. That way you can pop up in search engines and AI searches, all right? Then the cookie consent, which is super useful to add from here. So you can enable this right here. Go ahead and agree for the cookie consent, and you'll have all the available options for the cookie consent. You can see now it's on the bottom here, and here's the available details for the cookie consent. You got your layout options and the cookie list straight from here. So it's really practical to add from here. So you can see how easy it is to build a website. Then you got your desktop view and mobile view to make sure that everything is looking just the way you wanted on a desktop and a phone. You have the option to use a keyboard shortcut or on your phone. Then you got all the versions that you've made changes to, so you can revert back to a change in case you decide not to keep the one you're using right now, all right? You got your undo and redo, and this shows setting options straight from here. Once you're good to go, let's go ahead and save this. Now be aware that this site doesn't have the AI agent already in it. So let's go ahead and add that right now. So let's just say that we finished building the site, all the pages, etc. We are still located in the sites menu here. We're going to go into the chat widget, and in chat widget, I'm going to create a brand new one. So you have several available options here depending on your needs. My favorite one is the all-in-one chat because basically it has everything that you're going to need. Once you do this, you're going to have a live preview here on the bottom right, and you can set what type of chat types do you want to allow here. If you don't want to allow SMS, just go ahead and turn this off. If you just want to allow voice, AI, and live, go ahead and keep those on. So it's easy and practical to make changes. You can change the style straight from here. You can change the widget customization straight from here. Your chat window options for the title and intro, the rest of the settings for the live chat assignee, live chat closed, etc. Messaging, and the agent. In the agent, it's super important that you select the agent that you want to enable here. So the ones that you create on HighLevel, you'll have them available here. So that means that I've previously created an agent for the AI sales assistant. I'll go ahead and select this one. That way I know that that's the one it's going to use. Now, if this was my plumber website, I would select this agent, okay? So just to show you how that is going to be implemented, all right? So once we're good to go, we have the chat widget. Let's go and leave. In this case, let's go back into our website option here. Here we go. Let's select the website that we're working on right now, which is this one. Let's go ahead and edit the site. And in the settings option here, there's an option that says chat widget. Select the widget that you've just created because that's the one that we want to display on our website. And that's how easy it is to implement the AI agent there. Now be aware that will be available here in your AI agent section. So you got your agent studio where you're going to be able to view your AI agents. You can go ahead and customize these. You can create a voice agent, conversational agent, etc. So you can use these on your website. So it's super easy and practical to build a website here on HighLevel. So this is your all-in-one solution for your business with AI power built into it. So I hope you liked this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about HighLevel and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.